Yeah, now it is. Go
Good
ahead.
now?
Yep.
All right. All right, guys, so today I'm going to give you a quick overview of the Manhattan Project. Its major players, location, facility locations, and the end result of the program, which of course you know is the atomic bomb. Sweet. So the first question is, what is the Manhattan Project? Of course, the research program to build the first atomic weapon. It started in 1942 and ended in August 1947 when it was officially renamed the United States Atomic Energy Commission. But the origins of the program can be traced back to 1939 with a letter called the Einstein-Silzer letter. Now, funny thing, that Albert Einstein did not author the letter per se, but he did sign it, and the letter was delivered to Roosevelt. And that prompted him to start a nuclear weapons research program. And another fun fact, it was a joint project between all the, what you might consider Anglo countries involved in the war, the United Kingdom, Canada, and the United States of America. Now the two major players were Army Corps of Engineers Major General Leslie Groves. He didn't start off the project. He was assigned to the project in 1942 and was the overseer of all the construction projects associated with the Manhattan Project. And we also have Dr. Oppenheimer, who was the head of the research facility at Los Alamos. A little quick overview of all the locations associated with the Manhattan Project. It was not a centralized project. We hear mostly of the Los Alamos Research Facility, but that's where the scientific research happened. 90% of the Manhattan Project was, in fact, manufacturing and construction. For example, Oak Ridge in Tennessee. That was a facility dedicated to the manufacturing of uranium-235. Which is needed for a certain type of nuclear fission. Another one we have the Hanford site, which is Hanford Engineering Works, which was a site dedicated to the manufacture of plutonium, which is different from uranium-235. And also we have some Canadian facilities, Comico and Chalk River. Comico was a facility for manufacturing what is known as heavy water, which is needed for a nuclear fission reaction. And Chalk River is the first nuclear reactor plant that is outside the United States. Then we also have Los Alamos facility, most famous, is the head of the research facility. And then we also have the Alamogordo range. It is a gunnery and bombing range used for training purposes, and it hosted the Trinity Project, which was the first detonation of a nuclear explosive on July 16, 1945. Funny thing is that if the bomb did not go off on that date, that we would have had an invasion camp. They did not have a backup bomb. If the first project failed, they would not have been able to build it. Now, what was the cost of the Manhattan Project? $2.4 billion. $26 billion adjusted for inflation in today's dollars. That could buy you 380 squadrons at 18 planes apiece of Hellcat fighters. We'll pay for 34 Essex-class carriers at $70 million. Result, little boy, 9,700 pounds. Yield 16 kilotons, which means it is equivalent to a blast of 16,000 tons of TNT. Used August 6, 1945, and that one had a core at the detonation. The fission was provided by a core of uranium-235. And then we have the Fat Man, 10,300 pounds, 21 kiloton a year. August 9, 1945, not used by the Enola Gay. There was another B-29 involved called the Boxcar. And this one was different. It had a plutonium core. and results of blast on damage assessment of Nagasaki. There's nothing else there. That's it, guys.
Stop. Why? Okay, this iPad is messed up.